Welcome to this tutorial on how to rent on Vrbo, a popular vacation rental website that offers a wide range of properties for travelers to choose from. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of renting a property on Vrbo, from searching for properties to booking and paying for your rental. First, start by visiting the Vrbo website and entering your destination and travel dates in the search bar. You can also filter your search by property type, such as house, condo, or apartment, and by amenities, such as pool or pet-friendly. Once you have entered your search criteria, browse through the list of available properties and click on the ones that interest you to view more details. Each property listing will include photos, a description of the property, and information about the amenities and services offered. When you find a property that you like, click on the Book Now button to proceed with the booking process. You will be asked to enter your contact information and payment details, and to review and agree to the rental agreement. Before booking, make sure to read the rental agreement carefully and understand the terms and conditions of the rental, including the cancellation policy and any additional fees. You should also check the property's house rules and make sure you understand what is expected of you as a guest. Once you have completed the booking process, you will receive a confirmation email with details about your rental, including the address, check-in and check-out times, and contact information for the property owner or manager. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable stay, make sure to communicate with the property owner or manager before and during your stay, and to respect the property and its surroundings. You should also take the time to review the property and leave feedback after your stay, to help other travelers make informed decisions about their accommodations. By following these steps and tips, you can easily rent a property on Vrbo and enjoy a comfortable and stress-free vacation. Remember to always read the fine print, communicate with the property owner or manager, and respect the property and its surroundings. With Vrbo, you can find the perfect rental property for your needs and budget, and enjoy a great vacation with family and friends.